Good day, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see behind me, we have a very nice sunny late afternoon. It's it's beginning of the evening, and it's pretty very nice outside. It's roughly 14 degrees Celsius, and it's a big difference from the big winter storm, the snow blizzard they're having in Winnipeg in Manitoba. I'm suffering for them. Like I can feel it's a big major snow system coming up here. They even will have snow in Montreal by the look of it, but it's gonna land here roughly on Monday. So yes, as you can see, the snowbank is dropping drastically, and perhaps this year I will have a chance to cut my grass, my front grass, before the next winter. All right. As you can see behind me, the puppy dog just we just came back from a walk, and they're well fed. And yes, it's getting warm. And during the summer, they're very quiet. You can see Robbie is even having a heat problem, so he's starting his heat pump. So the subject of my video today, after the weather report and showing my nice puppy dog. Oh, by the way, oh, I forget his name, from Watershed Overlook. Go see his video about the reaction of his dog. It's called Jet. When they see him, I took Golden. It's worth. I mean, it's a very very good video. All right. So today, what I've done is I received a mail, and it's coming from Gator. Hello, Gator, from Ottawa. And so I'm gonna open the letter with my knife. And I was waiting for that letter. I received it about 2 weeks ago. So let's open it. As you can see, I sharpened the soup. It went like silk. All right, so I'm gonna open it like that. Put the letter here. Oh, I'm gonna read it first. I get. Oh, it's on the other side here. Okay, look at that. Look at. Oh, it's a series of stickers. Okay, so he sent me 3 stickers. Check out Gator World. And yes. Merci, Gator. So I'm gonna read your letter. Salut, Dave. Oh, he did it in French, so that's good. He said, merci pour le support de mon canal. Mes stickers sont pas les meilleurs, mais voici, je t'envoie quelques-uns. Tu as eu pour... Eh, mon Dieu, j'ai pas mis net. Tu auras un pour mettre sur ton tracteur. Ok, oui. And PS, je pensais que j'écrivais mal, mais toi, tu gagnes. Il a fallu que j'aille sur Google pour trouver ton adresse. Ok, sorry, Gator. Okay, basically, he thanked me very much for the support towards his channel, and also for I'm gonna put the sticker on my tractor. Yeah, and then the thing on my tractor is I don't have any place. I don't even put my sticker. So that's why I put it in there. Perhaps one of these days I will have a roof, and then I will stick it there. But until then, I keep it in there. But thank you very much. And then he said he was thinking that he was wrongly writing, but my writing is even worse, because he said he had the problem to find my address, so he had to go to the email. Let's say my handwriting sometimes is pretty bad. So thank you, Gator. So just hold on, I'm gonna bring the camera closer. Alright, so I'm going to use the cup from Sébastien Labombe, and I'm gonna put it inside the his cup. All right, so there you go, Gator. So it's a very nice sticker. Thank you very much. Again, I just do a recap about Alaskan Life, which is going to move. Dana is going to be moving from 20 acre like down in Florida. Hillside Acre from Richie and Christy. There's also David from Pale Horse Outdoor. Then, did I forget? Okay, of course. And also GP Hot Dog. Well, there's Joseph from Garden Tractor Boy in England. And look, orange is my new green. Of course. I always have a good laugh when I look at this card. Handmade, high quality card. And Grampie Workshop from Nova Scotia. And of course Gator. And I think I did a nice job. So thank you again. Anyway, so please take care of yourself. And go see Gator channel. One thing I like to say before I finish on Gator is please take the time to read of his jewel of knowledge, because I really have some fun, because that reminds me a lot of story of my all my families, like fishing history, stuff like that, and that will be a good memory. And the way he told it, it's always I have a good sense of humor, and I really like Gator for that. So thank you, Gator, for your jewel of knowledge and life biography. All right, so cheers.